Hi, this is maudio M-Track Solo, USB audio interface. This small and lightweight audio interface offers the necessary foundation for recording. 2 inputs, 1 microphone, 1 line input, so you can record both guitar and vocals at the same time. Of course, you can also use a condenser mic because the M-Track Solo has phantom power. We have here 1 headphone output and 2 RCA outputs for monitors. I read that this basic audio interface offers a transparent crystal clear preamp, so I was very curious. The transparency of the sound is best judged when recording through a condenser mic, so I tested it that way as well. I recorded a short section of my song through the maudio M-Track Solo, and I also recorded the same section of my song on my main audio interface, which is Antelope Audio Discrete 4 Synergy Core. Let's see how it turned out. Well, I have to say that I'm really very surprised how well this little audio interface from maudio recorded my guitar. If you listen through good quality headphones, there is some difference in transparency compared to Antelope Audio, especially in the clarity of the higher frequencies. And even the mid-range frequencies seem a little bit like oversaturated to me. But overall, a really great job for such a basic audio interface. Definitely recommend it for starters. Thank you for watching. See you next time.